Hi. This video is about Google Docs and Microsoft 365 and how you can get them, both of them for free. If you have tried to access the free versions before, you may have discovered the free version was a free trial. This is not a free trial, it is free. Your free Google Docs includes Google Docs and Sheets, which are spreadsheets, slides for slideshows, and forms such as contact forms and invitations. Google Docs is similar to an HTML editor on steroids. For example, in Tools, you can get word count, spell check, help with grammar, voice typing, and more. Microsoft 365 is just as awesome. Word is comparable to Docs, and Excel is similar to Sheets. It also includes Outlook and Calendar. They are both outstanding and, as mentioned, free. You will find links below in the description which will give you access to both.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching and much success.